this is the saphenous nerve flossing. Now, the saphenous nerve goes basically between the groin and going to the inside of your leg. Usually that can mimic pain on the inside of your knee or down to the inside of your ankle or sometimes to the arch. So the nerve flossing for this one, I have to say, it looks a little funny, but is to quote unquote stretch the groin per se. Now, the stretching part or the pulling on the nerve part is basically arching and tilting. Now you're putting the nerve in a lot of tensions. Now, as we talked about before, doing the nerve flossing, we don't want to pull on the nerve. So when you do this, the part that you can slack off the nerve is actually side bend to here and arch. So this is basically trying to let the nerve to slide or floss this way. Now, when you stand up, I want you to round your back a little bit. So this is again pointing the nerve upward toward the back. So again, remember, the flossing is a sliding motions. So from here, again, arch and round. Arch and then round. So you may feel some pulling on, around your groin muscles. That's fine, but please remember, when you do this, you should not feel more knee pain or the ankle pain or any of your leg symptoms that you're experiencing during the nerve flossing. So please try this at home and do the number of repetitions as prescribed by me in the clinic.